Welcome back to the channel, Aviate Alaska. As you can see on this beautiful Sunday afternoon, it is a great day to be aviating in Alaska. I'm here at Lake Hood gravel strip in Alaska, just next to Ted Stevens International Airport. It's been a busy day, a lot of traffic on the seaplane side as well as on the land side. It's been kind of nice to be out here capturing some footage. I'm excited to announce today that Aviate Alaska has officially been incorporated, and so the business that we have in place to work with this channel, as well as the other opportunity that I've been given, is to be a dealer for Titan aircraft. So I'll represent Titan and do demo rides and then post videos of my build that I work with Titan on, and then also with the Titan Tornado. So we're excited about that opportunity. Look forward to all the things that the opportunity that this channel is going to provide. Hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I am trying to enjoy it. This is not inside my comfort zone, but I'm excited about the opportunity to be out here and share Alaska and to share the opportunity that we have to fly in such a beautiful state. So looking forward to future episodes. I'll post a little bit of video from today, and then look forward to sharing this opportunity in the future with all of you.